Hi everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use Vibe Canvas to import a PDF architectural drawing and start marking it up. First, open Vibe Canvas on your board or computer. From here, you can either create a new canvas or open an existing one. For this demo, I'll start with a new canvas. To bring in your PDF architectural drawing, click the Import button and choose your file. Vibe Canvas supports multi-page PDFs, so you can select the exact page you need to review or import the entire document. Once the PDF is loaded, you can resize, you can zoom in to see details, and move it around the canvas. This makes it easy to focus on specific areas of your drawing. Now for markups, you can use the pen tool to sketch ideas, circle details, or highlight important areas. You can also switch colors or thicknesses to keep notes clear and organized. If you'd rather type, you can add text boxes or sticky notes for comments. This is really helpful for design reviews or team collaboration. If you're working with others, you can share the canvas so teammates can join in real time and add their own feedback directly on the drawing. To do this, click the blue Share button in the top right-hand corner. Click Share via links or emails. Give your canvas a name. And then you have the choice of either emailing them with the view or edit rights, or you can click the Quick Share button and change this to anyone with link or code. Give them view or edit rights. Copy the link and paste it into the chat if you're live in video with others. Once they join the canvas, you'll see their little avatar show up here next to the share button. They will then have the ability, depending on the permissions that you've given, to also mark up the board, putting their own notes and highlights and sticky notes or text boxes. And that's it. Importing a PDF into Vibe Canvas is quick, easy, and it gives you the flexibility to review and mark up architectural drawings with your team. Thanks for watching.